Hello guys, what's up? This the Poggy. Yeah. Let me play Roblox. Recording bro. Now let's play Raybaz, bro. This is how to play like a pew pew. Look at the dama. Tumala like and subscribe. Ito pala, oh. Marunong siya mag-sign language. 2 years old pa lang siya. Ako subscribe na lang, like and subscribe. Follow. Kapag, yun na, promise. Subscribe kayo. Isilip mo kayo. Yung kapag, yung sabay ganyan, sabay yung half face. Ganun.
Tatanggalin mo kasi yun.
Okay, now we're playing. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And now this is how strong. Oh, he dead. Oh, he dead. You dead. Oh no. You dead. You dead. Oh, you dead. You dead. GG's, my friend. Yeah. Task and rewards in the wards and rewards. Okay. Oh, yan. Nahulog pa ako. Ano ba yan? You're dead. Ay, no. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Oh no! I'm dead! Oh no, bro! What is happening to Earth? Yeah. No. Oh shit. No, I'm dead again. Oh no. Now let's use mode. Pim pim panem. Pim pim panem. Pim pim panem. Sabi nito. Ay, sige so. Patay to guys. Patay. Patay to guys. Tama, patay to guys. Guys. Night tayo na guys. Andito na tayo guys. So,
Panoorin mo natin ito. Hindi ako yung video.
sino? So guys, let's do this. Okay. Wow, 3-6.
Upload ka ba?
You dead, body, bro. And now we're doing something. Oh no, he just leave. Oh no, he's so weak, bro. He's so weak, bro. He's so weak. How is he do that? How is he do that? Uwi po tayo guys.
Kaya pag ano po, sige.
Para pumu tayo. Pumu man tayo, di ba? Oh no, ako. Oh no, 32-3. I'ma break you, bro. I'ma break you, bro. Please no, please don't do that. No, I'm so unlucky, bro. I'm so weak, you know. Let's go. No! Oh no! Ang lakas ng OC niya, pre! See, I'm not aimbot. Nah, you aimbot, bro. Peter to, pre. Oh no! So hard to defeat. Lolo! Hindi naman. Na amali. So guys, we're playing now. Melon Playground. Yeah. We're playing Melon Playground now, my friend. So, auto-save na muna natin yan. Okay, guys. Ano, mga yan, Saitama moments. Obya, obya, kumambling nga siya, bro. Pagka-tumbling, nangyari. Eh, tapos, ang ginawa niya, pre? Remote natin na remote. Okay. Second is, let's do that. Lapit-lapit tayo. Yan. So now, what we're gonna do is, punch you like this. Do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay, tumambling sa pre. Pagka-tumbling niya ay, yan na, naglaro na siya niyan. Yo, that's so cool. So guys, ito na po magdadag sa ating vlog. So my next video, bye-bye, like and subscribe.